Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to install this stereo from Haudio into a 2007 Hyundai Azera. This is a 10.1 inch touchscreen and it's made for a single DIN dash. So let's get the box open and see what's inside. First thing I see is an instruction manual. Lots of wiring, hookups, plugs. We're going to go ahead and flip it upside down. And we have the radio itself. Alright, with everything unpackaged, you'll have your power wires, audio inputs, outputs. This here is for your USB, hardware, GPS antenna, instruction manual, backup camera, the 10.1 inch touchscreen, and the unit that you install in the dash. Alright, now this car has a older aftermarket stereo system in it. We're just going to go ahead and take that out, starting with taking out the faceplate, the trim or bezel. I'm going to take this hardware that came with the Haudio stereo. They're like keys. They should unlock. Just like that. And the stereo should just pull right out. Alright, next, I'm going to unplug the wiring adapter. That way I can take it into the barn and go ahead and hook it up to the new stereo. Okay, so on the wiring adapter, you can see that I put heat shrink tube on here already. This is the one that comes with the new Haudio stereo. It's as simple as just connecting the same color with the color that's on the adapter. Just Alright, once you get your wires all connected, we're going to go ahead and slide our shrink tube over each wire, and then we'll take and heat the tube. Perfect. Alright, so on the back of the radio, we're going to go ahead and hook up our speakers and power cord. Our audio out and in. Our two USB inputs. One here and one here. And we'll also hook up our GPS antenna. And now we'll go ahead and get this installed in the car. Alright, now we're back in the car. I'm going to go ahead and hook up the wires that run to the amp. Then I'm going to hook up the wired adapter to the car's harness. Got to hook up my remote wire for the amp. Now I'm going to hook up the GPS antenna. Take the sticker off, just put it up in here, and stick it up inside up in here. Alright, in this little cubby here I drilled a hole in the back, and I'm going to send these USB ports right to that hole. It's not something you have to do. You can hang them underneath the dash or wherever you want to put them. I just figured easy access to right here. So here's one. And here's the second one. Alright, now that everything's hooked up, including my antenna, GPS antenna, all wires are pushed in, I'm going to go ahead and slide this into the dash, and it should lock right in. Next, you will see on the back of your touch screen, it is beveled. That should be facing up. And that should lock in just like that. Alright, we got everything installed. The radio sits in there very nicely. We're going to go ahead and get it turned on. Comes right on. Scroll through a little bit here. Looks like you have all kinds of apps. YouTube, Netflix, Google Chrome, Play Store. So you can download more apps if you want. We'll go right here into music. I got music on here. I hooked up a little USB thumb drive. Has Bluetooth, has navigation. Another cool thing about this, you hit this up here in the corner, the whole screen will flip, just like that. Then you can turn it yourself and have it sitting that way in your car. I think that is definitely a cool feature. Alright guys, that's all there's to it. If you have a single DIN dash, this is the perfect radio for you. I highly recommend it. I'll leave a link in the description to where you can find this or other ones like it. If you end up getting one, please let me know what you think of it. Until again, I'll see you next time. Thank you.